Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the dreaded E28 error code on your Bosch dishwasher, you're in the right place. This common issue can be a real headache, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down for you step by step. In this video, we'll cover what the E28 error means, the possible causes, and easy solutions to get your dishwasher running smoothly again. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is the E28 error code? In Bosch dishwashers, E28 typically signals a problem with the water inlet or drainage system. This means your machine isn't getting the water it needs or can't drain properly, which can lead to incomplete cycles and frustration. It's one of those errors that pops up when something's blocking the flow, but the good news is, it's often fixable at home. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The E28 error is usually triggered by a few key issues. One major culprit is a clogged filter. Over time, food particles and debris can build up and restrict water flow. Another possibility is a kinked or blocked inlet hose, which prevents water from entering the dishwasher. You might also have problems with the water supply valve or even a faulty pump. In some cases, it's as simple as a temporary glitch in the machine's electronics. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by unplugging your dishwasher and turning off the water supply for safety. First, check and clean the filter. Locate it at the bottom of the unit, remove it, rinse it under running water, and make sure it's free of any gunk. Next, inspect the inlet hose for any kinks or blockages. Straighten it out if needed and ensure it's securely connected. If that doesn't work, try resetting the dishwasher by pressing the power button for about 10 seconds or running a quick diagnostic cycle. For more advanced fixes, you might need to check the water inlet valve or the drain pump, but if you're not comfortable with that, it's best to call a professional. There you have it. Simple steps to tackle the E28 error and get your Bosch dishwasher back in action. Remember, always prioritize safety, and if the problem persists, don't hesitate to seek help from a certified technician. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.